The next type of minor error that we're going to go through is what we call our W descriptor words. So when we are describing certain things in a sentence, you need to use an appropriate W word. And the reason why they're called W word is just because they start with the letter W. So if you're describing a thing, you're going to want to use the word which. If you're describing a person, you need to use the word who. It is imperative that you not use the word which or that to describe a person because it is absolutely wrong, and it's one of the most common errors that students make in their essays. So that's something that you should really take home and practice when you're writing your essays for the SAT and school. Then the other two W words are where and when. Where needs to describe a place and when needs to describe a time period. A lot of times people will use where to describe a time and when to describe a place. So the seminar is when I met my friend Ben. But the seminar is a place, so it should be the seminar is where I met my friend Ben. So a lot of times people mistake those, so you really want to pay attention when you see one of those W words in a sentence. Just an aside with the W words. There is a non-W word, which is that. And that and which are both words that are used to describe things. But you need to know when to use which one. Now, we know that they're both used to describe things. And really the only difference in these two words is that that has no comma before it. If you see a sentence that puts a comma before that, you automatically know that that is an error. However, which needs a comma before it, and if it doesn't have a comma before it, then you know that it's automatically wrong. So both of these can be used interchangeably to describe a thing, but this must have a comma before it, and this can never have a comma before it. So definitely remember that.